Hey, this is Tyler Troutman at InfoComm 2026, the Shure booth C9018, and we are here to talk about our IntelliMix room kits. We have expanded our collaboration portfolio with the addition of adding Zoom to our IntelliMix room kits and foundation. So about last year we came out with this for Microsoft Teams, and we are now available with Zoom to be able to solve a bunch of different needs. So starting with the room kits, we have those 4 room kits going from small, medium, and as the room sizes grow, we can grow with our MXA 902 ceiling array. But the really cool one here is our IntelliMix foundation system running Zoom rooms. And this is perfect for those custom AV spaces where we need to solve for complicated room spaces where the rest of the Shure product portfolio can be utilized, from our brand new MXA 925 to our MXW wireless microphone system. We have an audio accessory to be able to solve for all sorts of room needs. And so if you want to learn more about the IntelliMix room kits and the IntelliMix foundation now available for Zoom, please visit us at Shure.com.